Not saying men are dogs, well, some are, but it takes similar skills to train them. Cheeky. I've got the skill of training. Watch and learn. Hey, you, sit. Good dog. No talking. Good dog. I am going crazy. Kiss from this dimple. Kiss from this dimple. Ekia Dimples, I'm signing in. Yeah, you look a bit confused, isn't it? Those people who don't watch my videos to the end don't even know my outro. But by popular demand, I've been asked, can I please do it as an intro as well? So here we go. Every day when we meet, we're going to start with the kisses. Because when you meet your friend, you start with kisses. And then when you're leaving, you end with kisses. So we're going to be doing that kisses for the intro and the outros. Before I start today's video, I honestly want to talk to you about subscribing and watching my videos. A lot of you have supported me and you've subscribed to my channel and you've been watching my videos. But I've realized there are levels to my viewers. Level 1 are my viewers who subscribe and watch the video to the end. And that's so important because YouTube only acknowledges views that the watch time is the key word. Is very important that you are watching to the end, so you're giving me more watch time and you are subscribing. So thank you to my level 1 viewers. My level 2 viewers are those that watch, subscribe, and then they comment and press the like button. Thank you, level 2s. The level 3s, I've probably practically got about 3 of them left. People that are not only subscribing, liking, commenting, but they are also sharing my videos. They are sharing it on all social media platforms. And please don't forget to tag me when you do share, so I can also give you a shout out possibly on this channel. Or I can retweet, or I can repost, or I can share it on my Instagram story. And I'll be sharing my social media details at the end of this video. So watch till the end. See what I did there? Cheeky. Hopefully all of this will help tweak that YouTube algorithm and my videos are going to be coming on top of people's searches. Thank you. I love you. And I know you're going to do this just for me. Anyway, let's move on. Today, we are looking at how to secure that man, how to train him, how to get him to eat from the palms of your hand. When I told my husband I was going to be shooting this video, he said, you can't train men. That's what they think. And that's how I know I'm a good trainer, because he doesn't even know he was under training. But he has become exactly what I need in a man because I trained him. So I'm going to teach you today what I did to get him prim and proper to be a Ekia Dimples husband. Hey! Stay tuned. The men, they're always in denial. They think they have the power. Yes, you give the man the power and the respect. But behind closed doors, you are poking, pressing some buttons. That's getting you what you want. That's what I call woman power. And this video is a follow-up from my previous post about how to know if he's Mr. Right or Mr. Right now. So once you have acknowledged and realized that this is Mr. Right, and some of you are already walking down the aisle, he's your husband, some of you are dating as they call it. In that video, we discussed that actually there's no perfect guy. This video is all about those imperfections, how we can smooth them around the edges and what skills we can apply to get them doing what we want, almost being Mr. Perfect. So if you haven't seen my video about being Mr. Right or Mr. Right now, go and watch it. Funny thing is, I was wearing the same mustard color, but it was a fluffy jumper thing. Shouldn't be that hard to find because that video had about what? Over 56,000 impressions on Twitter. Thank you to my tutorials. God bless you. Straight to the point, the good news, how we can get Mr. Right to be better in the areas that he may fall a little bit short in and needs a boost. As a married woman with 2 children, I think, I have a little bit of work experience. So today I'm going to give you the gist, the lowdown, the concern on how to secure him or smooth out those edges. Let's begin. I'm going to give you just 3 quick tips. You know, this is just a beginner's guide. You don't need to be a pro or a semi-pro or anything like that. Just a beginner. You could be entry level into relationships. But I'm going to give you 3 quick tips that's going to get you to pro in no time. Number 1 is positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is when he does something you like and you positively reinforce it by giving him some praise. For instance, oh babe, I really like the way that you cleaned that garden. It was a mess and I'd had my eye on it for a very long time, but I'm so glad you cleaned it. Oh babe, thank you very much for making that soup. It was so delicious and I enjoyed every single bit of it. Let me give you a little story actually. When I married my husband, he couldn't cook. The first thing he tried to make for me was light soup. If you're Ghanaian and you like your fufu, you know light soup. My husband made light soup. He put hoisin sauce in light soup. If you don't know what hoisin sauce is, a bit sweet. Yehovah. The soup was sweet. When I say sweet, I don't mean delicious. It was sweet, like sugar. But you know what? I closed my mouth. I ate that fufu with a smile on my face. Like this. Oh, baby, this is delicious. Oh, this soup is nice. Oh, this is very good. Oh, you should make it more often. What a nice, delicious light soup. Guess what? Now, he's a pro light soup maker. Come to my house and he'll make you light soup and you just be like... Why? Because of positive reinforcement. It helps bring out the best in him, okay? So even at the dating stage, just positively reinforce, you know, oh, thank you for coming to this date on time. When you acknowledge the small, they get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And he only becomes better. When he's better for you, not for anybody else, but for you. So be patient, apply some positive reinforcement, and he's going to be a better man for a better relationship. So when he makes that soup and it's not delicious, auntie, you better drink it like it's Oreo milkshake on a hot summer day. Drink it with a smile and enjoy it. It's for your own good. See the bigger picture. Point number 2 is to always phrase statements like they are questions. And I'll let you know why. Our men came from their mother's home where they were used to their mom constantly telling them, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this, do that. The last thing any guy wants is to marry a girl that's going to be a mother in their life. Please stop being a mother and telling him do this, do that, do this, do that. Phrase your statements like it's a question. Oh babe, do you think maybe we should take the bins out later on? Oh babe, don't you think it would be nice if we went out for dinner today? Oh babe, don't you think the bins are getting a little bit full? Oh babe, do you think the baby is hungry? These statements, like questions, not only gives him the chance to actually think about it, because men don't necessarily always think like us. Women, our minds are always doing... Within every 1 second, we are thinking about 20 different things about the bin, about the children, about the school, about the exams, and what we're having for dinner, what we're having for lunch. Oh my God, we need to visit our family. Oh my God, we are thinking about so much in one go that when we are constantly saying what we're thinking, it comes across as nagging. Oh, do this. Oh, do that. Oh, do this. So how about you phrase it like a question? Oh, do you think maybe we should go visit the family today? Oh, do you think maybe the baby's nappy's getting full? Oh, do you think it's about time I bought a new wig? Is the last one I used. And yes, if you don't believe me, ask Lily's hair design. My wig is coming soon. Why? I asked my husband, oh, do you think I need a new wig? Guess what my husband did? He called her and he ordered me a new wig. Thank you very much, babes. He doesn't even know I penetrated it into his brains because I asked it like a question. He said, okay. And I get it. A lot of us women are independent women. I am the queen of independent women. But there is nothing nicer than you wanting something and then getting it as a surprise from the person you love. Drop that independent woman attitude and let him look after you, kakra. Hint, hint. Drop that question and it will work. Especially my married woman. Auntie, just take your time. Ask questions. Get him involved in things. And he'll be doing them before you even notice. And you know what? Modern day men, they're a little bit clued on, you know. They know these things. They know women, we are constantly trying to pull strings to get what we want. And this is why we need to vary the tactics. That's why I'm giving you 3 and not just 1. 3 today. Because by the time they notice that, whenever she wants something, she's doing it like it's a question and not asking directly, but she's phrasing it in a question. By the time they notice it, it's too late, Crampo. You've adopted another tactic. You are just pulling out the tricks from the bag all the time. And if you're only at the dating stage, by the time it comes to his senses, auntie, you'll be wearing that ring. It's too late. You are wearing it. You can't go anywhere. Anyways, let's move on then to number 3. Number 3, I've called it craw him. Craw him. If you're not Ghanaian, you don't know what craw means. I don't know how to say it in Brofo. Craw him. It means craw him. It means pamper him, but not pampering. It's like, how do you even say craw in English? Need craw or dictionary name. What is craw in English? If you know what craw is in English, please comment below, because I can't explain myself what craw is. Anyway, craw him, tantalize him, pamper him, mellow him down, butter him. Yes, that's the word. Butter him like bread. As a woman, that's where our power is. We are softer by nature. So, you know, that stroke in the hand. Oh, thank you, babe. Mwah! That kiss. Give him keezy. You must give the kisses, because the kisses gets him all soft like buttered bread. Mwah! Keezy. Thank you for... Mwah! Thank you for doing that job for me. Mwah! Oh, you are so sweet. Oh, you are darling. Stroke his head. Oh, you are so nice. This is why I married you. No. Mani who say, oh, you will taste. When you're who sana, he will start to do things to make you happy as well. You know, when he's hungry, bring his food and serve it to him. What is this? Let him go to the kitchen and get his own food. Modern day girls, yeah, oba ding ding. Leave that oba ding ding same at your father's house. When the marriage, you need to be soft. So quit that in it girl. So all us in it girls, no. Forget it, man. Let him enjoy his marriage. Let him be happy in his marriage. And if he's a happy man, you'll be a happy wife. If you are just at the dating stage, this is even more reason for you to craw him, because you've not even secured the man yet. So through craw and tantalizing him and buttering him like bread, I'm not saying go and do kizzy. The kizzy is not for you. It be things. I also shall hear about that one. So do the other softer things, you know. Do the thank yous and the politeness. And no man lets a good woman who can make them feel like the king of the jungle go. He will marry you. He'll put that ring on it. You found Mr. Right, craw him, and he'll be Mr. Perfect, because he'll be even better. He will strive to be better, and then he'll put a ring on it. And if you already have that ring, auntie, he'll buy you a mansion. He'll work till his toenails start to even expire, because he wants to please you. He wants to make you a happy woman, because you make him happy. You know, men, they like to act like they are hard and they are hardcore. They are soft and they like a gentle, soft woman. So don't be a bad ding. Be soft, be nice, be murmur. I'm not saying go and be hi baby and be botte. No, they like energy and enthusiasm, but a well-spoken woman who gives them respect, a woman who makes them feel good. And you get exactly what you want from that man, when you want, how you want. I tell you, that's my secrets. Don't share these secrets with anybody. If you have watched this video right till the end, thank you very much. Don't share it with anybody. So those were my 3 tips for you today. Disclaimer, by the way, these tips are how you treat your man. Notice how I said your man. If he's not your husband and you're at the dating stage, but you're not sure if he's even trying to be your man, and you're not sure where you stand, because I know some of you and your relationship state is saying it's complicated. Auntie, these tips are not for you. He's not your man. He's for the community. He's for the neighborhood. He's for the country. He's for the nation. This is nationwide man. He's not yours. So these tips are also not yours. Go and watch Mr. Right and Mr. Right Now first before you come and watch this video and take these tips, because they are not for you otherwise. Thank you for watching. Before you go, like I said, don't be a level 1 viewer. Be a level 3 viewer. And I hope to see you soon. Kiss from this dimple. Kiss from this dimple. Ekia Dimples is signing out.